हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम देवियन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। टुडे we discuss about most important concept of Indian economy. Today topic is planning. Planning is fundamental management function which involve deciding before and what is to be done, when it is to be done, how it is to be done, and who is going to do it. It is an intellectual process which lays down an organization's objectives and develop various courses of action by which the organization can achieve those objectives. It charts out exactly how to attain a specific goal. Planning is a certain period to what to do and how to do. It is one of the primary managerial duty. Before doing something, the manager must form an opinion on how to work on a specific job. Hence, planning is formally correlated with discovery and creativity. But the manager would first have to set goals. Planning is an essential step, but manager at all level take. It need holding on to the decision since it includes selecting a choice from alternative way of performance. Process of planning. As a planning is activity, there are certain responsible measures for every manager to follow. First, setting the objectives. This is the primary step in the process of planning, which specify the objective of organization. That is what an organization want to achieve. The planning process begins with the setting of objectives. Objectives are end result which the management want to achieve by its operations. Objectives are specified and measurable in terms of units. Objectives are set for the organization as a whole for the department, and the department sets the own objective within the framework of organizational objectives. Second, developing planning from premises. Planning is essential, focus on the future, and there are certain events which are expected to affect policy formation. Such events are external in nature and affect the planning adversely if ignored. This understanding and fair assessment are necessary for effective planning. Such events are the assumption on the basis of which plan are drawn and are known as the planning premises. Next is identify alternative courses of action. Once objectives are set, assumptions are made. Then the next step is to act upon them. There may way to act and achieve objectives. All, all the alternative course of action should be identified. Evaluating alternative course of action. In this step, the positive and negative aspect of Each alternative need to be evaluated in the light of objective to achieve. Even alternative is evaluated in terms of lower cost, lower risk, and higher return within the planning premises and within the availability of capital. Next is selecting one best alternative. The best plan, which is the most profitable plan and with minimum negative effects, is adopted and implemented. In such cases, the manager's experience and judgment play an important role in selecting the best alternative. Next is implementing the plan. This is the step where the managerial function come into the picture, and step is concerned with the doing what required. In this step, manager communicate the plan to the employee and clearly to convert the plan into actions. This objective involves alternative the resources, organizing for labor and purchases of machinery, flow of action, monitoring the plan consistently and asking feedback at regular interval is called flow up. Monitoring of plan is very important to ensure that the plan are being implemented according to the schedule. Regular check and comprehension of the results with set standard are done to ensure that objectives are achieved. Thank you. In next chapter, in next session, we will discuss about 5-year plan. Thank you.